99, Aguila 9.
Welcome to the RFSI Public. And I would like also to extend my heartfelt appreciation to Sir Ortega, the fourth commander of RT9, for inviting me or considering me as one of their stakeholders.
Sa aming pamilya na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat sa suporta at inspirasyon na inyong binigay sa amin. At sa ating mga stakeholders, once again, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude for the help and support that you always provided us. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa ating bukid Chief PNP na si Police General Romel Marbil at sa aming Regional Director na si Police Brigadier General Moen Joey Masauti. Laging tandaan, sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.